Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with a new hosting website. It's called WebHostingHub. So like usual, first let me give you a short idea about this website. So WebHostingHub offers reliable and affordable shared hosting for individuals and small businesses with a focus on user-friendly lines and excellent customer support. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Hub or WebHostingHub or webhostinghub.com like I just did, and this is the results I got after my search. This is the official website, the Web Hosting Hub, best website hosting services. I will click on it. Like you see with me here, this is the interface of the website. It's very colorful and it's look clear and practical and contain a lot of informations. That means it's easy to use. So we'll come back on it later after I show you how to create account on it. And if you have already an account, you will just log in right here by one click. Like you see with me here, you will enter your email address over here and your password over here. If you are a new customer on this website, you will come back to the interface page and choose a plan from these ones here. This is all the services with different prices right here. So let's just try with the Spark one because we have three plans: Spark, Nitro, and Dynamo. Okay, we have different prices and different services. So let's order now in the Spark. This website is also provide us shared hosting. That means the Web Hosting Hub offers shared hosting plans designed for individuals and small businesses, providing a cost-effective hosting solution with shared server resource. So now we have four steps here: hosting, domain, billing, and review my order. So the first one is hosting. Let's see what it contains. The data center. Okay, we need to click on it. One click. They ask us for select one of the following products to be automatically installed. You can also do this later from inside your EMP account management panel. Okay, let's just choose no thanks. Dedicated IP. We have give your website its own online address with a dedicated IP. Keeping your website running secure and independent of their or other websites, IPS can be used for a number of practical applications, including, okay, let's choose just the easiest thing. That means no thanks. And the data backup. Okay, let's choose no thanks also. So here, let's click on continue. The second step, that means the domain. Choose your domain name. Web Hosting Hub can host any domain, and register .com, .net, .org, .biz, and .us and .info. That means any domain you have, this website can register it. So I would like to purchase a new domain or already own a domain I want to use. Okay, let's put here, enter the domain and academy.co.uk. Okay, let's click on apply. The third billing, we have this information over here. The billing detail, new customer, enter your email address. Okay, Susan Brian, etc. Log into email AMP, your primary email address. Okay, same one. I will not complete the creating the account because I will not enter my payment card, so you can just complete it in that step. And let's choose password. You should remember it, and it should be secure. And click on I'm not a robot. Select R squares with crosswalk. Okay, the need to be sure that we are not robots. So yeah, verify. Select R squares with stairs. Okay, this so okay. Let's wait for a moment. So the last step here, the account billing and payment information. You should be enter your payment information. I will not, because I will not use this website over here, but you need to get your first name here, the last name over here. The company name is optional, that means you can skip this step. Your country, you need just to select one from this. Okay, let's مالك انت يا بنا تحومي عليا، مالك روحي عند ولادك الزبل. And your address line 1, it's obligatory. The address line is optional. You need to enter your city and the states. They are over here. And your phone number with your number of your country. The number, it contains 3 numbers. And choose password. And you need to rewrite it here. The allowed characters are alphabetical and all of this. So you need to choose password with these informations and characters. To complete your billing information, use my account information for my billing information, or my billing information is different from my account information. So you will choose independent to the information that you get in, if they are the same in your billing information or different. This is the information of your card. The card number, and this is the example, you can find it over here in front of your card. The card expiration, the month and the year, it also can find it over here. And the signature code, you will find it behind your payment card, excuse me. And that's it, my guys. And then you will just review your order to complete the last step. I will not do that because I will not create my account, and ever the information of the payment card, I didn't get them. So let's back to the interface of the page to see more information about this website. And this website is also provides us free website builder. That means the Web Hosting Hub offers a free website builder tool that allows users to create professional looking websites without the need for coding or technical expertise. So we find here other information about the websites, like you see here. It's also working with free domain. And this is all. The account is very easy and practical to work. It's not complicated. So this is our video today. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and the next website.